I want to show you how to create dynamic multimedia projects in Adobe Express. Now you can turn static images or illustrations into animations or videos to bring social and digital campaigns to life with animation, music, and artwork right within Adobe Express. Best of all, you do not need to be a creative professional to pull it off. Let me hop over now to Adobe Express and show you up close. Dynamic and visually compelling content is a base level requirement for engaging an audience or customers, and it is so easy to do in Adobe Express. In this example, I'm creating a video to showcase our Employee of the Month, which will be shared internally across the organization. Adobe Express makes it simple to use video features for creatives and non-creatives alike. It's possible to incorporate assets from Photoshop and Illustrator. No need to recreate them. Simply bring existing PSD and AI files into Adobe Express and you're all set. You can also pull assets like logos, colors, images, textures, and more right from Brand Kits by selecting the Brands tab. If you want to add animations, you can. Choose from a variety of styles. And even apply more than one animation to a single design element or asset. Create a new scene by adding more video. That's as simple as dropping another video file onto the project timeline, which in this instance I grabbed from Adobe Stock under the Media tab. Add music to your project. Collaborate with your team in real time to save time. Get input and edits done quickly and seamlessly with live commenting and version history. Resize assets for different channels for any placement. Adobe Express makes it possible to make more, faster. Adobe Express is your one-stop creative app with no experience required. Here's a template that you can remix and experience all that Adobe Express has to offer.